Okay, welcome to another episode of Top Android Apps, where I share with you some amazing Android applications guaranteed to bring the best out of your mobile device and to put a smile on your face. Let's get to the video. So the first application on today's list, most of you might definitely know this one. This is because the new iPhones came out and it's all around Dynamic Island. Actually, if you're using an Android device, there's a dynamic spot for you, which is actually going to let you get the same feeling as having the dynamic island on your Android device. This mostly works really nice if you have a poncho camera on your display. If it's on the left or right side, you shouldn't have any issues with it. So this is the dynamic spot application that lets you imitate the dynamic island on your Android device, and this time around it's actually interactive too. The past few weeks some apps came out but weren't interactive. This one can be found on the Play Store too. So if you open the music application and you're playing, once you close it, you can see you have this widget at the top. If you long press it, it's actually going to show you the music that is playing. Also, you're going to get alerts anytime that you plug in your phone for charge or you put it on the charger. You're going to get this nice pop-up at the top. If you connect your Bluetooth devices too, you're also going to get a nice pop-up at the top. Also, if you have notifications from social media, you're actually going to get a notification, and if you long press it, you're going to see more details about that notification. So this is a really nice way of implementing the dynamic island on an Android device. This is why I like Android. This came out in less than 2 weeks and we have an Android version. The second application on today's list is one that I've actually really enjoyed, and I even used it whilst preparing for this video. So the application's name is Mindly, and what this application helps you do is that it's going to help you plan and implement your activities or your ideas in a really nice interactive way. So as you can see, you have a nice visualization of what you want to do. Let's open one of these bubbles. This is how I planned out the video for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the best application for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. As you can see, I have all the applications here. You can add pictures, you can add links. It helps you visualize what you want to do in a really cool way. So I like this. Anytime that you want to plan something out and you want to see how it's going to look like, put in some notes, put in some links. This is a nice way to visualize your plan in a nice diagram, which actually motivates you. It looks really cool, so you definitely will be getting to planning your works in this nice diagram. The next application on today's list is Krita. So if you're a graphic designer or you like to draw on a casual day, this is an application that actually looks just like Photoshop. I don't know if this is Photoshop for mobile, but it has all the features of Photoshop for your mobile device. So as you can see, I was able to do all these arts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 using the Krita application. On the application, you have almost to pull out a nice edit. That is if you want to do retouching, you want to do digital arts or anything. It's just like the Photoshop. So if you know how to use Photoshop, you shouldn't have any issues with this. It comes with all the brushes, everything. You can even save files and go back and make digital arts like I'm doing here. So if you're somebody that likes to do a lot of detailed work on your mobile phone device and you've been looking for something that feels and looks like Photoshop, this is the application for you to check out. Now to the next application on today's list, we have Notadio. So this is a note-taking application with some really cool feature up its sleeves. So basically, when you take a note on this application and you save it, you actually get a code that you can share with anybody at all, and only the person with this application and that code can actually get that note and maybe update it so you can see from wherever you are. So if you find yourself in a remote job or anything like that, and maybe you're sharing some notes or ideas with someone, all you have to do is to open this notes application, type in whatever you want to type. When you're done, share the code with them, and when they open the application and put in this code, they'll get access to this notes that you've created. They can edit it, and you're actually going to get a live update on your mobile phone device. So if you've been looking for a really cool application that is for taking notes that you can share with your friends, update it, and you guys can see what is going on together, this is a really cool application for you to check out. So the next application on today's list is the computer launcher. So if you have a big screen like this, one thing that you can probably like to do is to make it look like a real computer. And with the computer launcher, this lets your mobile phone device look like a Windows PC, you must say. And you can see we have the stats menu here, which looks like just like what we're going to have on a PC computer. So it looks really cool. If you find it really cool, you can see we have all the quick access buttons too here for changing your time, Wi-Fi and everything. It looks really cool. I like the design of this. If you just want to play around with a Windows themed launcher, this is something you could probably check out because it looks like a PC and you might find it interesting. The next application on today's list, we have Screeny. So this is a screenshot manager that makes it very easy for you to sort out your screenshots, and it makes it very easy for you to search for it in a couple of steps. So what Screeny does is that this is going to categorize all your screenshots into different categories. It makes it very easy for you to find your screenshots, and if you're looking for something in particular, for instance, it has text in it, all you have to do is to hit the set button at the top and put in whatever you're looking for. Let's say that, and it's going to pull out all screenshots that have something like that in it. So if you're looking for a way to manage your screenshots on your device, Screeny is something you should probably be checking out. Now the last application on today's list is the wallpaper application for today's episode. This is the Wall Candy wallpaper pack. So with the Wall Candy, you can get a lot of wallpapers in a really nice simple interface. I like how straightforward the interface is. You can see we have waves, premium, Apple, stock, desktop, abstract. If you open it, you get some nice AMOLED wallpapers for your device. But if you're looking for a wallpaper pack with a lot of different categories wallpapers and it looks really good, Wall Candy is something you definitely check out. So this brings us to the end of today's episode of Top Android Apps. If you're new to this channel, of course, hit the subscribe button, leave in the comment section any application you want me to go check out, and I'll do well to go check it out and maybe feature it in my next episode. Thank you for spending time with me. Subscribe if you're new to this channel, turn on the post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.